So then we'll continue from that point. However, Bassanio is quite impatient and he is unable to stand long and wait for a long time. So he has made up his mind to take part in the lottery of casket and therefore accept his fate. So therefore Bassanio says, let me choose, for as I am, I live upon the rack. So Bassanio is unable to delay and he insists Portia that he must be allowed to take part in the lottery of casket. He must be allowed to make a choice. Why? Because this delay in time makes Bassanio feel as if he is living upon the rack. Now what does rack mean? Rack is an instrument of torture which consists of a wooden framework, and it was used to torture those type of people who have committed some treason against the state. And on this wooden platform, the person was tied and he was stretched, his body was stretched until and unless he confessed his crime. So since Bassanio is being asked to delay in making the choice of the casket, this makes Bassanio feel that as if he is living upon the rack. And Portia now puns on the word rack. Portia says, upon the rack, Bassanio, then confess what treason there is mingled with your love. Because rack is an instrument which is used to punish only those people who might have committed some treason against the state. Treason here means crime of being disloyal to someone. So here when Portia says that if Bassanio is upon the rack, she inquires of Bassanio that what treason is mingled with his love. Is he not loyal in his love? Is he not trustworthy in his love? However, Bassanio, he says that there is no treason mingled in his love. He truly loves Portia and there is nothing to be doubted in his love. But the only treason is mistrust. Mistrust means what? He does not have trust upon himself. He doubts. He doubts the outcome of the lottery of the casket. He doubts that if he fails in the lottery of casket, he fears that he may not be able to enjoy his love. So there may as well be amity and life between snow and fire as treason and my life. Okay. So he says that there cannot be any friendship. Amity here means friendship. There cannot be any friendship or any union between fire and snow. They both are completely contradictory to each other. There cannot be any union or friendship between fire and snow. Same way, there cannot be any relationship between treason and Bassanio's love for Portia. So he claims that he truly loves Portia, but Portia does not believe. She says, yes, but I fear you speak upon the rack, where men enforced do speak anything. So when a person is put upon the rack, when he is being tortured upon the rack, then the person may say anything to get relieved from that punishment. So Portia fears that Bassanio is speaking upon the rack, and since he is speaking upon the rack, his words are not to be trusted. However, Bassanio says, promise me life and I will confess the truth. He says, promise to spare my life and he will confess the truth to Portia. So Portia says, well then confess and live. Then Bassanio, confess and love had been the sum of my confession. O happy torment, when my torturer doth teach me answers for deliverance, but led me to my fortune and the caskets. So he says that this torment is an enjoyable one, is a happy torment. This torture is an enjoyable one. Why? Because the torturer herself is giving options to the person being tortured, that how he can be released. And he prays to Portia to give him a chance to take part in the lottery of the casket and try his luck in the lottery of casket. So he insists to Portia that he must be allowed to make a choice of the lottery of the casket. So thank you. You do till line number 41 in this week. Next week we'll continue with the rest of the discussions.